Want to know how to edit your videos like this? Open your Filmora 15 latest version in the description below. Import your videos. I got these from Pexels and I chose this first video to grow this man's hair. This effect I will show you can't be applied to a video clip, so you need to take a snapshot of your clip to get an image. Drag the snapshot in your editing timeline and go to Effects. Under Effects, go to AI Effects and select Beautify. Good thing about these effects is that it requires no prompt at all, but still edit your videos smoothly. Drag this instant hair growth effect to your snapshot. Generating this effect will cost you 100 AI credits, but the result is worth it. Let's try to use another effect to remove this man's beard with the help of AI. Again, take a snapshot from your video clip. The chosen frame will be the basis of the AI effect, so pick it properly. The effect that we will use here is beard removal. Drag and drop the effect to your snapshot and see the results. Mind you, it doesn't just remove or change anything and stay still. The snapshot also becomes alive or moving. Here's the result, from a bearded man to a clean-looking guy. Lastly is this subtle improvement on your face. We will try to remove the acne marks on these two women. Just take a snapshot and go to AI Effects again and Beautify, select Acne Removal, then Generate. As you can see, the result did not over-edit the video and just remove the acne marks and not the natural freckles of the woman on the left, which is a very good detail. Again, no prompts needed. Truly, Filmora 15 is best for beginners seeking to learn AI tools and features. To give you an idea, here are the other effects that might be useful for your next project. I'll try to preview some of them, but if you want to explore all of them, download Filmora 15 now, link in the description below. AI tools of Filmora is truly improving, and you will not want to miss out on these new features. Download Filmora 15 now. Thank you for watching. Keep creating, and I'll see you next time.